This exercise is the wall reference hinge. We're gonna be using a foam roller in sort of in a staggered stance position. And what we're gonna use this for is to learn how to correctly hinge through the hips, as well as turn on the glutes, the inner thighs, and maybe even a little bit of abs, okay? So we're gonna take Connor through this. He's going to place the foam roller at the inside of the knee. The knee is right over the middle of the ankle, right here. He's also got this back foot. Think it's sort of like a kickstand, or it should be feather weight. He should be able to almost lift it up if he wanted to, okay? So he places that there. He's not putting a ton of weight there. 90% of it is through that front leg. Hands are gonna go over top of one another. We're going to make sure we got everything stacked in place, head, shoulder, rib cage, pelvis, all that up top. And then all we're going to do is start with a big inhale at the top. Exhale, reach down toward the toes of the front foot. And then we're gonna hold at the end of the exhale. Big inhale, feel some stretch happen. Exhale, come up. As he's doing this exercise, the entire time, he's got contact. He's pressing that knee into the wall. Let's go one more time. Inhale at the top. Exhale, come down, reach toward that foot. Empty the tank. Inhale, feel the stretch, feel the expansion. Exhale, come back up. Again, we are cooking the glute, cooking the inner thigh with this exercise. So some common mistakes we'll see with this exercise. The first one being rounding the upper back way too much with this. Okay, so we'll show you real quick. Coming down, you'll see a lot of people, they want to use this thoracic to compensate for the lack of motion through the hips. Again, if you're one of these people and you're seeing that this is happening, an easy way to correct that is as you come down, you're reaching, you're keeping this nice and relaxed. You're not trying to use your upper body to get there, sinking back into the hips and then coming back up. We'll also see that the hip closest to the wall will open up in a way as another way to compensate to get this movement done. Again, keeping this hip a little bit angled toward the foot, that front foot out there, as you can see that Connor's doing here. And last mistake we'll see is putting way too much weight in that back foot, in this case, the left foot. You see his whole heel comes down, he tries to do the movement, it's just not gonna work out very well. You're gonna lose tension through the glute and through the inner thigh.